Meron ka rin bang mommy, man to ipamasyalan every holiday or during weekends, Kening Pampanga? I will tour you around Bicentennial Park, wherein you can have a free playground, free picnic ground, and of course, one with nature. Okay, be with me, guys. Today is my 5th day of my 30 days challenge. I will share to you the features of Bicentennial kung noon ko makamura at maka-free playground for your kids. Okay? Nung buriyo pang may painawa ka rin cellphone na rin anak yun, Kenny dalan. Free mo, Kenny, alang bayad. O ining masanting Kenny, dakala playground. Bayula, good for the toddlers and for the kids. And of course, available playground for the young at heart. And my kids' favorite, the trail playground. And the swing, it has free walkway for you to do jogging, biking, and walking. At inyang malinis a restroom. So ay mo pigagan ng kanaring anak mo. Another feature of Bicentennial, it has a fountain, a clean drinking water. Again, this is Camille, your imaterang mom. Magpaalala, kailangan mal para maging maligaya lang ang anak tamo. Kailangan tamo mo maging resourceful and di ta ka-effort. Okay? Be with me once again tomorrow, my 6th day of 30 days challenge. Dakal kong salamat, kayong pamantabiyuhan. Kanak. Thank you!